Something JK loves to do is look inside refrigerators. So, let's see what we have in here. Of course, we have our chili, a little orange juice, a ripe pineapple. This was one of our choices, but we decided to go with guacamole today. And there's the pesto, veggies, boiled eggs, and a vegetable lasagna. That looks pretty good. You've got to get your resveratrol, Mr. Sancho. Although we're currently working on one that has a, see, this one's flat, this one's got bubbles. Look at those ridges. Ooh, we like those ridges. Gigonda, the vieux clocher. And of course we have the funny vino bar. Let's listen to what happens. Isn't that cool? It mixes up the air as it pours out. Whoosh.